Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Meli Wulandari with study my number 202153049 from the Physics Education Study Program. I will explain the difference between classical physics, quantum physics, and relativity. Physics in general can be divided into three main parts, namely classical physics, quantum physics, and relativity. First, classical physics is a physics based on the principle developed before quantum theory by Isaac Newton. The laws of motion describe how things are made of moving objects and the law of gravity. His plausible and deterministic universal bind together the motion of the planets in the sky with the failure of objects and Earth to form an elegant and general picture. He also discovered calculus and the rule of physics built from Newton in the field of optics such as telescopes, microscopes, and cameras. Telescopes can be used to see and observe an array of objects by developing astrophysics and optical cosmology and closely related web theories such as reflection and diffraction. Furthermore, it deals with chaos theory related to the description of complex systems, and also with regard to thermodynamics, how energy is moved from one place to another. Example of the use of classical mechanics are in the construction of rocket building buildings and military weaponry physics that developed until the end of the 19th century tell us that we can measure it quite accurately. The future is predetermined. Second, quantum physics is quantum mechanics emerged when classical physics was unable to properly explain the various microscopic phenomena that were observed around the end of the 19th century and the beginning of the 20th century. That at the time, the existence of classical mechanics could not solve the related problem, namely to explain black body radiation, photoelectric effect, and atomic stability and subatomic order. Atomic theory examines the properties of atoms to the extent that they are developed from tiny space to electron orbits, and then into consigned electron, lasers, semiconductor, materials engineering, and quantum information science. Apart from that, it deals with nuclear physics or separation used in nuclear power plants. And it also deals with quantum field theory, which captures all quantum physics and combines it with the special theory of relativity and is the best description it is universe we have today. Finally, the relativity theory of basic concept compiled by Albert Einstein, who developed the special and general theory of relativity by discussing velocities and acceleration, which are measured differently through the frame of reference. Special relativity predicts that the speed of light is constant for all observed, which means that when a person travels very quickly, strange things begin to happen as time slows down. It states that energy and matter are different things from the same things by means of the very familiar formula E with together mc quadrat. Meanwhile, general relativity says that space and time are part of the same unit, namely space-time, making the other object fall on it. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.